All right, we have question 18 here. So this question is basically trying to once again help you practice your converting a square root to a polynomial, and it's also trying to remind you about how to take the derivative of an exponential function. This negative 2e to the power t appeared way back in I think question 4 or 5, and it's back again like a vengeance. Anyways, so the root t we can simply convert to t to the power 1/2, and of course the derivative of e to the e to the x is just e to the x. Yep, so that's pretty much it. So we'll start that process here. We'll start with the right-hand side, and on the right you have an exponential function raised to a power with a constant in front. So we can take that constant out, so that negative 2 moves in front of the d over dt, and the derivative of e to the t is just e to the t back again. So you just get negative 2e to the t. Pretty much nothing changes. But with the first part, it's a little bit more complicated. We have a square root, so we need to convert it to a polynomial raised to a power. So we take that root t, and we make it t to the power 1/2, and then we follow our standard derivative rules for a higher order polynomial. We take the 1/2 and we move in front, and we subtract 1 from the power. In this case, before we subtract 1 from the power, it's necessary to convert it to a fraction. So negative 1 is the same as negative 2 over 2. So we have 1/2 minus 2/2, we have positive 1/2 minus 2/2 gives you t to the power of negative 1/2. And of course, we still have that 1/2 in the front. We throw everything all together at the bottom, and you have the derivative of capital W with respect to t. All right, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, as I'll be uploading more videos from this chapter in the future, and I'll try to always explain how I solved it and what the question is trying to teach you. So thank you very much for watching, and if you need a specific problem solved, feel free to take a screenshot of the image, upload it to an image website, and add it in the comments, and I'll try to solve it when I have time. Thank you very much, and goodbye.